Hi, preschoolers. I wanted to put together some of your favorite finger plays. So let's begin. I'm going to start with, can you do it with me? These are Grandma's glasses, and this is Grandma's hat. And this is the way she folds her hands and puts them on her lap. These are Grandpa's glasses, and this is Grandpa's hat. And this is the way he folds his arms, just like that. How about two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. And I had a little turtle. He lived inside a box. He swam in the water, and he climbed on the rocks. He snapped at the minnow, he snapped at the flea, he snapped at the mosquito, and he snapped at me. He caught that minnow, he caught that flea, he caught that mosquito, but he didn't catch me.